How you doing today, people? It's AMWTS Car Audio 82. I told y'all I'm gonna give y'all a video of the walkthrough of my vehicle, and like a few months ago, I got in a car accident. I repaired the car, put it back together a little bit. It's still a little on construction because I had to put the hood on it and the fender on this side right here. It's still on the construction, but it's gonna get back to where it was. Plus, I'm gonna get some rims on this car. I'm gonna give y'all the walkthrough of the system. Excuse my junky car. Okay, I hope y'all can see. Like, let me see if anybody can see it. Oh, Jesus. Where my fingers at? This is where my kill switch is at. And I got the Pioneer here. I don't know if anybody can see it too good. It's kind of dark in here. Then I got, Jesus, it's kind of dark. Then I got my base knob right here. I ain't had to drill no holes to put this on. Just go to any store, like any auto store, just get you some Velcro and stick it on there, and you don't have to mess up your interior. Okay, moving on. I'm still working on my car, and I just put this new amp in here. It's brand new, out the box. It's to 100 watt, wired down to 12 ohms. And yesterday, I made this board right here. So this gonna be my battery board for the sound. So I'm still getting some more stuff in it. So this is how the battery rack look like. You know, just go to any hardware store. Just go to a fabric store and get you some cloth and use like this kind of make sure your measurement is right, and just staple gun it however you want to do it. Everybody else is different. I know y'all want to see the 12s, so I'm gonna show y'all the 12s real quick. I'm gonna close this back. I'm gonna leave this open because I'm finna be slamming in a minute. This ain't much. It's something. I got. If you want to be slamming, get you a ported box in your trunk. So I don't know if y'all can see this real good. Let's see. Shit, these ported boxes, they do sound good though. Or just get you any custom box. Have somebody make your box, tune it down to a certain hertz, and have your shit slamming hard. Let me see if I can start this car up and let y'all hear it a little bit. 1 second. It's winter in Chicago. 1 second. Oh boy, it's cold out here. Let me turn this car on for y'all. Get this boy started. Let's see. Trying to find some. Let's see. If I can find something with some trying to find something with some beats on it. Okay. Probably some Walker or something.
Type shit, my nigga. See, ain't no with this shit, just I'm with it. Me and Trump, we gon' backdoor these niggas, man. Let's get to these niggas, man. I don't think
Talk my car now. Yeah, that's my walkthrough in the car. You know, just give you a little something what's next. So stay tuned and thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, comment, rate, do what you gotta do. Y'all have a good day.